It's important to check that your client's eyes are fully closed to prevent exposure to fumes. Otherwise, it can cause tearing, irritation, or dryness. Prolonged exposure can also cause chemical burns.
This method of stretching and pulling down the eyelids helps to fully close the eyes. It's most effective for the stubborn eyelids that are half opened or have extreme movements.
Placing tape horizontally across the eyelid stabilizes the eye for easier isolation and application. The tape applies a slight pressure that relaxes the eyes.